Most people believe that if they just earned a little more money, their financial stress would disappear. But here is the cold, hard truth. Saving money is not your real problem. The real problem is that your bank account is a leaky bucket. Every day your money sits in a traditional savings account. It is losing power. You are working 40 hours a week for your money, but while you sleep, your bank is letting that money shrink. If you feel like you're running on a treadmill working hard, but never actually getting ahead, this is exactly why. In this video, I'm going to show you the mechanical failure of regular banks and why they are designed to keep you broke. You'll learn the exact structure used by the wealthy to protect their cash from inflation, and I'll give you a simple 3-step plan to move your money into a high-yield environment where it actually grows. By the end of this breakdown, you'll have a wealth protection shield. Think about how most people live. They work a month of long hours. They pay the rent, they pay for groceries. They manage to save a small portion, let's say $500. They put that $500 in a big name bank because it feels safe, but then reality hits. A year later, that $500 is still $500, but the price of gas has gone up. The price of bread has gone up. Their savings can now buy less than they could a year ago. This is the hidden tax. While your bank gives you a measly 0.01% interest, which is basically pennies, they are taking your money and lending it out to others at 10%, 15%, or 20%. They are getting rich off your hard work, while your safety net is slowly rotting away. Most people stay in this cycle for 40 years, wondering why they never have enough to retire. They had the discipline to save, but they didn't have the structure to protect. To stop the leak, we have to change the structure. Here are the 3 pillars of a high-yield strategy. Number 1. Understand the inflation gap. You must stop looking at the balance in your account and start looking at purchasing power. If inflation is 5%, any account paying you less than 5% is a losing game. A high-yield savings account, or HYSA, is your first line of defense. Number 2. Leverage the digital advantage. Traditional banks have massive buildings and thousands of staff. You are paying for those buildings through your low interest rates. Digital-first banks don't have that overhead. They pass those savings to you. This is why they can pay 10 to 20 times more interest than a regular bank. Number 3. The government shield. Safety is not about the name on the building. It's about the insurance behind the scenes. Whether it's the FDIC, FSCS, or NDIC, you must ensure your bank is government insured. This makes an online bank just as safe as the biggest bank in the city, but far more profitable for you. Let's look at a simple scenario. Imagine you have $10,000 as an emergency fund. In a traditional bank at 0.01%, after 1 year, you have earned exactly $1. That's not even enough to buy a cup of coffee. In a high-yield account at 5.0%, after that same year, you have earned $500. That $500 was earned without you lifting a finger. It happened while you were sleeping, on vacation, or working your day job. Over 10 years, with the power of compounding, that difference becomes thousands of dollars. One choice keeps you stagnant. The other choice builds a wall of security around your family. Money problems don't come from a low income alone. They come from a lack of structure. You've done the hard part, you've earned the money. Now, it's time to do the smart part, protect it. Don't let your hard work evaporate in a traditional bank account. Move your money to where it is treated with respect. Remember, financial freedom isn't an escape. It's an understanding of how the system works. Start your Sunday money meeting, check your runway, and stop the leaks today. This is MABWealth, turning income into wealth and real stories into smarter financial decisions.